Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. In the last lesson, we learned about some solid figures such as cube, cuboid, pyramid, and cylinder. And I have shown you some robots that you can make it by using some boxes, some toilet paper rolls. But the lesson today, I will show you to make this robot, you just use some pieces of paper. For example, to make this Doraemon, you can use some pieces of paper like this. The first one for the head, and the second one for the body. And here are for the hand and the legs. Very interesting. And you know what? These pieces of paper are called as nets of solid figures. And I will show you the net of solid figures in the lesson today. Lesson 21, nets of solid figures. What is the net of solid figures? Net of solid figures is a figure that you can cut or fold to make it become a model of solid figures. For example, I have a net here. Can you guess which solid figure it is? Yes, you can see here it is a cube. Very interesting. And here is a net of cube too. How about this one? Now I have a net with 6 faces. And all the faces are rectangles. And you can guess which solid figure it is? Yes, it is a cuboid. Very easy. The next one, I have a net with 2 circles and 1 rectangle. Is it a cube? No, a cube doesn't have a circle face. So it is a cylinder. Yes, very good. Let's move to the next one. Here you have a net of a cone. Yes, correct. Now I have a cube here. How is the net of a cube? Yes, you know a cube has 6 faces and all the faces are square. So the net of a cube looks like this, right? The next one, I have a net with 4 triangles and 1 square. It is the net of a pyramid, correct? Now let's do some examples. The first one, I have a cube and they give you A, B, C, D, and E. We have 5 answers and we must choose which is the net of given cube, right? First, let's eliminate any answer which can't be correct. If you eliminate an option as soon as possible, it makes your job. If you eliminate an option as soon as possible, it makes your job easier because you will end up with a smaller list of possible answers. We are not going to cross up A because these 2 faces are next to each other, so it is not completely wrong. How about B? For B, if you look, these 2 faces are opposites, but the figure shows them together, so B can't be crossed up. C is similar to A in terms of both the circle and clear face are next to each other, so I'll come back to it later. How about D? Once again, have opposite faces. Z gray face and Z clear face are together in the figure, therefore the answer can't be D. E can also be eliminated by just noticing that these 2 faces are opposite each other. But in the figure, it shows both faces together. Now we only left A and C. A is not correct. Why? Because it doesn't have any gray face. So the correct answer is C. Very good. In the lesson today, I show you some nets of solid figures. Now let's review them by doing an exercise. Match a 3D shape with its nets. To do this problem, I want you to focus on 2 things. The first one is how many faces does it have? And the second one is how does the face look like? It looks like a square, a triangle, or a rectangle. It is very important. Alright, the first one gives you 4 triangles and the base is a rectangle. So can you choose which is the net of this pyramid? Yes, it is F. One with F. The next one we have a cube. A cube with all the faces are square, so you can easily to choose 2 with A. In the same way, you can have 3 with D, very good. 4 with E, 5 with B, and the last one, 6 is C, very good. So it is all for today. I hope you can understand all the lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.